Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be working on keeping a very clean base and we're going to be working on glittery eyes. So I'm starting first by applying moisturizer and hydrating the face. My model has dry skin. It is also winter in the city, so I'm making sure to add extra moisturizer which has glow, radiance, which is really going to help give that glow through the foundation. And then I'm applying color corrector. I mixed a brown and orange which made it like a reddish brown, and then applied the foundation all over the face very smoothly. And I made sure that the foundation is matching my model's undertone so that once we're finished and powdered, the foundation blends really well with the skin. And then adding some concealer to the T-zone area of the face, and then going in with contouring, making sure the contour is sharp yet it's not looking too much or out of place. I also like to contour under the lip and over the cupid. I think that also makes the lips look slightly fuller. Then instead of blending the contour with the brush, I just take a cream blush and use my blender to apply it. This very easily blends the contour along with the blush and you get best of both at the same time. For the eye makeup, I used only one eyeshadow palette which had lilacs and mauves. Applying them together, blending them very smoothly, not leaving any harsh lines on the eyes, and then directly applying a metallic eyeshadow and glitter onto the center of the lid. All of these are very similar colors, slightly purple, slightly mauve, a little bit grey as well, and then finishing with a very sharp eyeliner, thick on the ends and not too thick in the front, so it really gave that elevated look. And then continuing on the lower lash. For the eyebrows, I did not define them too heavily. I wanted the eyebrows to look a little bit on the natural side so it looks girly and soft. I first applied a mauve shade on the lips, which was blending really well with the eyes, but I wanted to lighten it, so I added a little bit of a nude lip color on top of that, which didn't make it as dark as it was initially, and overall it looked very monochromatic, and I think the eyes and the lips blended well together. They gave a sweet contrast to the outfit and matched with the jewelry. So overall I was really loving how stunning the look was. You can see how the glitters are shining and how the pigments are looking on the inner corners of the eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for different makeup looks every single time and new techniques to learn from. So let me know what you think about this look in the comment section, and if you would like to try something like this or if you would like your makeup to look like this. So guys, keep watching and keep letting us know which look you want to see next and what type of tricks you want to learn. I simply can't get enough of this makeup look and the way the glitter is shining on the eyes. You can just see it when the eyes blink and when they open as well. Loving it.